What is up guys, Dan at the site. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can import your JSON to your n8n's canvas or n8n. So first you need to head over to your n8n's website and then you need to log in with your n8n credentials and then you need to create a new workflow. And after that on the right side at the top you can see these three dots, click on that and then click on import from file. After clicking on import from file, you just need to search for the JSON file that you want to import. And after searching for the JSON file, when you find it, click on it once and then click on open, and then your JSON file will be opened here in your n8n canvas. But if you can't find your JSON file here, you just simply need to click on these three dots and then you need to click on import from URL. And then you just simply need to copy and paste the URL of that particular JSON file that you want to import. And as you can see, I am just simply pasting my URL. It's showing me some errors because of my incomplete URL. But this is how when you paste your URL and then you click on import, your file will be imported. So this is how you can import your JSON to your n8n. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.